Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to rotate view. So you can go to parametric body and I will create for the 3D object. For example, you can create new sketch and I will choose top plane, draw rectangle, use pet tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to rotate view, first you can use the view cube. Okay, you can click here to rotate view. Or another option, you can press middle mouse and then press shift buttons to rotate view. So this is based on your navigation style. In this tutorial, I will use the Revit for the navigation style. You can press shift buttons and then press middle mouse to rotate view. Another option, like you can create with a Blender, you can press middle mouse to rotate view. So different between the navigation style. So that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to rotate view.